you want to make sure that you have two of these floaty frames where the artwork is actually going to float in the middle. That is the key here. And you can see that when you take out the glass, here's the frame by itself, two pieces of glass. So what I'll do is I'll actually use this piece of glass as an outline for my art. Also going to cut that same size out of the parchment paper. So now you have your art in the correct size, and you also have two pieces of parchment paper in the correct size. I will sandwich my art in between two of the glass pieces and slot it into the first frame. The frames usually come with these little secure attachments that you can put in to make sure that your art doesn't slide out. Now you have two frames, one with your artwork and one with the parchment paper. What we're going to do is glue them together so that the frame with your artwork is on the outside and the frame with the parchment paper is on the inside. I'm going to take these fairy lights, make sure that they are white, not yellow, and glue them to the back. While you let that glue harden, you can also attach your hanging strips, your Velcro strips, to the back. And voila, you have a beautiful light box that showcases your art.